Fitover safety glasses provide extra eye protection, especially in environments where splashes and dust can harm your eyes. They are a great addition to your prescription eyewear and are perfect for outdoor activities. I'm Armand from RX Safety, and today I'm going to talk about Fitover safety glasses and how they should fit. There are many different types of Fitover safety glasses on the market. Considering that these safety glasses are designed to be worn over your regular eyewear, many of these safety glasses are lightweight, so you won't even notice them on your face. To provide full protection you need, they should fully cover the area around your eyes and your prescription frame. A great option is the Philips PSG SP16 safety glasses, a protective non-prescription safety frame. This Fitover has symmetrical ventilation technology, allowing for cool air to enter and exit, which keeps the lenses from fogging. This frame is manufactured to easily fit over most standard prescription eyewear. Also, this clear Fitover safety frame is made of high-quality TR90 nylon, keeping it lightweight and durable in any environment. For those who work in the construction industry, for example, Fitover safety glasses can be very useful, as the job can have a lot of potential hazards that you need to protect your eyes from. In this scenario, it's common that you need to look up and down at a certain frequency, which could make your glasses fall from your face. A solution for that is wearing Fitover safety glasses with straps. In this case, I suggest the Pyramex Safety Capture Plus safety glasses. This non-conductive frame was designed to fit over most prescription glasses and is available with clear or gray lenses. They also feature a flexible rubber foam gasket that keeps the lenses from fogging. And the temples extend from brow bar to avoid interference with the prescription frame's temples. Plus, they come with a strap, which can be added to the temples as you need it, to safely keep your glasses in place. Besides the regular Fitover safety glasses with clear or gray lenses, we also have options with lens colors to suit different needs. The Cocoon's LightGuard G300L Fitover safety glasses, for example, are available in yellow to provide increased contrast and heightened visual perception in low light conditions. These Fitover safety glasses are constructed from an extremely resilient but lightweight impact-resistant polycarbonate material, which keeps the frame ultra lightweight as well as extremely durable. They also provide UV protection, completely isolating the eyes from 100% of harmful UV rays and 82% overall visible light transmission. All of the safety glasses that Fitover prescription glasses I showed you here today meet rigorous industry standards and meet ANSI Z87 safety standards for optimal protection. With them, you can keep your regular prescription eyewear and add the protection you need at a low cost. These glasses and many more are available at RX Safety's amazing collection of safety glasses that fit over glasses, with a great variety of styles. If you have any questions about our safety Fitovers, leave a comment below or contact us at rxsafety.com.